how to buy ULTRASPACE Moon token. So this token came under the symbol of USMT. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about the token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 52% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 6 in the Solana section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure to select this Solana token. Now, click here and now paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is also click on it and now click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find here swap. Click on it and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter or OKX provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy USMT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.